For this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the reading assessment where I will be reading out loud and getting my reading fluency rate, which is the corrected words per minute. So under the main menu, Reading, I will click on Start Assessments. Then on the reading topics, I will go to the third one down, Reading Initial Fluency Assessment. Click on that. Then on the subtopics, the second one, Initial Assessment of Reading Fluency, Session 1. Now the primary instructions present. In this reading assessment, you will need to have a headphone or headset with a microphone or computer with similar capabilities. I have set that up. If you haven't set that up, go back and do that and then go through this again. Then once you have set it up, you'll read all the instructions. You'll start your fluency recording session. When I click on that, I will start reading immediately so I can get my reading fluency rate. Now the reading fluency rate is the corrected words per minute, as I said, but it will also show the national fluency rate, which is for the 5th grade. So I'm going to click on this and start reading immediately. If you've ever gone to a sporting event or another social event in the United States, you probably know the national anthem, as it is typically played before the start of all such events. The Song of Our Nation, the Star-Spangled Banner, is a favorite of many Americans, and we have a man named Francis Scott Key to thank for it. Francis Scott Key was born in Maryland in 1979 and grew up to be both. Now, it's starting to process. And as it's processing, we'll just have to wait a few seconds, and then it will come up with the reading fluency rate, which it did, 240, and the national comparison rate, 130. Now that 130 is for 5th graders. That's the national comparison rate for 5th graders. If I want to play the recording again, I can click the arrow up here and play it. And that is it. Thank you.